Introduction of magnetic, automatic pipeline welding system. In terms of design, concept and innovation, the machine set new standards of pipeline welding systems. This is a revolution of pipeline welding in current market. The welding speed is 4 times faster than hand welding, very simple and practical without using the ring. Continuous welding saves time. Automatic welding system is a very brilliant idea. Using magnetic force instead of track rail, strong magnet force keep the trolley in the position and will never sliding down. With 380 volt, 24.5 kilowatts power, the machine can be moved from 6 to 12 clockwise and anti-clockwise. The angle of the torch can be adjusted, but generally 90 degrees. It's specially designed to simplify complex orbital equipment, simplify the program, the weight, and even your budget, but without simplify the welding quality. Our welding system has been successfully applied in key domestic, and we are on the way to the international market. The swing speed and swing amplitude can be adjusted by the control system. Language can be changed. The control system control all the movement of the walking trolley. It using flux cord wire with diameter of 1.2 as usual. With the welding speed of 0 to 30 cm, min, argon arc welding to backing first, then our system to fill the cover. Only 20 kilograms total, lightweight for field welding, easy to moving around. 98% welding qualification rate, good quality and 1 year after sale service. This system has stable and reliable overall performance, strong adaptability to environment, simple operation and good weld formation, especially for long-term pipeline construction. Try it and let it be your first choice.